know that I've shared so many DIY hair growth spray, but this very one that I'm about to show you is a game changer. Like if you are suffering from alopecia, hair dryness, hair breakage, then go nowhere. Let me just show you how to make this amazing hairspray that you will come back to say thank you for. Alright, so the first thing that you will need is Moringa. Now Moringa has so many amazing benefits for hair, including helping to reduce hair fall and nourishing the scalp. Now I have plucked a few leaves of Moringa. I'm going to soak it in water and just rinse it off in case there is any dirt or whatever. Then once I am done, I'm going to place it in my pot, and then I'm going to introduce the second ingredient, which is hibiscus flower. Like you guys, if you've been sleeping on zobo leaves, oh my god, you should just wake up, girl. This zobo leaves is rich in amino acid that helps to nourish the hair strands, strengthen the roots, and helps make your hair more manageable. Okay, so I put like 10 pieces of my hibiscus inside water to rinse it off in case there's any dirt or impurities in it. Okay, now the third ingredient is onions, guys. Like if you're concerned about onion smell, do not worry. This method I'm showing in this video will leave you with no smell at all. I promise you, it is 100% guaranteed. Okay, and we know that onions is rich in sulfur, so it helps to strengthen your hair strands as well. Now I'm also going to be adding rosemary, which contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that helps to protect our hair follicles from damage and support a healthy environment for our hair to grow. I added 1 tablespoon of rosemary to my mixture. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to pour water, drinking water, into my mixture, and we're going to bring it to a boil. So the reason why I'm boiling it is actually because I use a fresh moringa leaf. Yeah, so that's why I'm boiling it. If you're using a dry moringa leaf, you might not need to boil it. Okay, you can just infuse it overnight. That's like 12 hours and it will be ready. However, boiling it will help to reduce the scent of the onions so that you will not perceive it again, in case you're one who is concerned with the onion smell. So I went ahead and boiled it for like a few minutes, like 10 minutes or so, and then I'll bring it down and allow it to cool just slightly before serving it. The reason why I'm allowing it to cool, obviously, is so that it will infuse more, and then again so that it will not melt the plastic that I'm using to store my hairspray. All right, now after sieving it, I'm going to pour in this applicator bottle. The next thing I'm going to add now is essential oil. This part is actually optional but very necessary. Okay, I added tea tree essential oil, which helps with scalp related issues, and now I'm going to be adding just 3 drops of my hair growth oils. Okay, this is a DIY hair growth oil. How to make this particular one is already in this channel. Okay, so I will leave it up here so that you will check it out. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to mix it properly to make sure that the whole ingredient is properly combined. We know that oil and water does not mix, so hence the reason why we are shaking it. Hence the reason why we are shaking it, so that it will combine. And when you're about to use it, please remember to shake it a little bit before using it. Okay. So guys, I've actually shown how to properly use this hairspray on this channel, how to properly use it to get all the maximum benefits. I'll leave the video up here. Okay, yeah, that video is very detailed how to use it to combat dryness and the likes of it. However, I just felt like I should still show for my new viewers who have not come across the video. Okay, all right, so now if you have any scalp related issues, concentrate this tea on your scalp and make sure that you're working it in. Some of the mistakes that people make when using a DIY hair product is the fact that they are not just giving their scalp a massage. They are not working it in to let the juice or whatever they are using to penetrate properly. So if you're using this and you're aiming for hair growth, please use it the way that I'm showing you. Massage your scalp properly. This will help your scalp to absorb all the nutrients and it will help to increase blood circulation too. So another important tip is also to please make sure that you are spraying this on a washed hair, on a clean scalp. Okay, to gain the maximum benefit of this hairspray, you have to spray it on a clean scalp. All right, this will help your scalp, like when your scalp is clean, it is open and ready to absorb anything that you're giving it. All right, so yeah, now let's talk a little bit about Moringa for hair. Do you know that Moringa is a nutritional powerhouse, as it contains numerous essential nutrients that our hair loves, including vitamins such as vitamin A, B, C, and vitamin E, plus minerals and amino acid. All this helps to nourish your hair follicles, strengthen the hair strands, and promote faster hair growth. Can you see how shiny my hair is looking? That's the effect of this combo. Actually, that's the effect of all the DIYs I've been using on my hair. Okay, DIY is so great. Like, if you have not been incorporating DIY, may I know the reason why? If it's health related, there's no problem, but if it's that you are doubting whether it works or not, my sister, it works. So like, my hair has gone through a lot, it has faced so many challenges, but guess how I'm able to bring my hair back to life? It is through DIY. It is through using nature, like the gifts that God has given us through nature, and they work. It might take time, but I tell you, if you're consistent, you will definitely see results. There is no two ways about it. If you're having scalp related issues, if you're having dryness, like if you use this, I'm going to leave the video up, so that the video of how to properly use this as a leave-in treatment. Okay, I'm going to leave it up so that you will see how to properly use it. If you use it consistently, sis, I tell you, you're going to begin to see difference. Your hair, from thinning, it will become thicker. If you are experiencing issues with your scalp like itchiness, irritation, it will gradually fade away. You wouldn't even know when your scalp just stop itching. Like, you'll wake up one morning and be like, oh, I used to have itchy scalp, but then what happened? So I encourage you to try this and let me know what you think in the comment section. Okay, give it a try. All right guys, so please, this cannot be stored for long. Highest 5 days in a working fridge. Okay, in fact 5 days is even too much. All right, just use it up within 3 or 4 days. Okay, so that you maintain the potency, or you add a preservative to it. Okay, and yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more hair related content, and I will see you guys in my next video. My name is Favor. Take care of yourself, and bye.